Greetings, guys. Mokosi JPY, this is your mentor. I'm gonna just analyze Xauusd, which is the gold itself, overruling the structure of the gold, because each and every time I analyze the market using a top-down analysis, which is using a multi-time frame. So first of all, each and every time I'm gonna just analyze the market using a bigger time frame, because for now I'm gonna just remove the watermark so that we can see everything clear. So this is what we're gonna look at for long term. So as we are looking the gold itself right now, first of all, as you know that I managed to mark my highest high. This is my highest high. This is my lowest low, which is gonna be my major supported level here. My major supported level here is my major resistance level here, which is the main high. So at the same time, we have a previous high, which is this level that I'm gonna just mark in front of you guys. As you can see here, I just mark the gold currently right now. And then as we can see, it's a candlestick of the month. Anything, it can happen anytime. So as I managed to mark my highest high and my lowest low, there is nothing that I can just quickly even show currently right now. I'm gonna just go to a weekly time frame, because there are some other things that we cannot see on the monthly time frame. But just to move it to another time frame, which is the weekly time frame, we'll realize the things that we didn't realize before. So at the same time, I'm gonna point at my trend line, which is my supported trend line, and then I'm gonna just point at even my resistance trend line. Okay, I'm gonna just pick it from here and then take it from here. So as we can see, the gold itself have been giving us an impulsive pushing to the upside. They've been trending to the upside. As we can see, this is the gold that we are looking currently right now. Gold have been pushing to the upside. So let me just quickly move it distance, put it at the right side. Yeah. So gold, we can just check very well on the gold itself. We'll started to see that we have this point here that the market managed to create it here. As we can see in front of our eyes right now, we have a bounce here. I'm gonna just point it this level, and then we have another bounce here. Even here we have a touch here. Even here we have a touch here. We was expecting the market to give us our third touch. So expecting the market to give us our third touch, as we can see that the market, it was moving impulsive, correctively impulsive, and deeper correction, which is the market, it managed to create a second touch. Automatical market give us a continuation pattern, which is the bullish flag, and expecting the market to give us another impulsive, which is followed by correctively, and impulsive followed by a corrective move, and catch another impulsive. So by expecting us to end up reaching here some other time, we are expecting a perfect picture. This is another side that people need to be aware that some other time the market, it may fail to push to the upside. I remember the previous days on the market breakdown, I told other people that the price, it can even just spike up and fetch. What it can happen, some other things into a gold. I'm gonna just quickly show an example. So tomorrow you can understand the nature of the market or the behavior of the market. The market at the same time, it can just push it to the upside, end up creating our third touch, where we expecting the market to create our third touch, end up even rejecting, and then the price started even continue pushing to the downside like this, pushing to the downside. This is another side that I'm trying to show you guys, that it may happen just to push it up and reject. So I was just quickly showing another side, what it can happen on the gold itself. Currently right now we are looking the gold. So what I'm gonna just do for now, I'll move it to a daily time frame, because there are some other things that we cannot see in a weekly time frame, but just to move to another time frame, we'll realize the things that we didn't realize before. Remember, I'm using a top-down analysis, multi-time frame. So I'm gonna just fix it, my trend line pointed at the right point here. I'll point at everything where I'm supposed to point it correctly, so that we can understand. The way we put a trend line is very important. So as we can see, we did to fix anything that is supposed to be fixed. So currently right now, as we can see, the market itself the previous days, it managed to reach this level, came back, giving us an impulsive and correctively an impulsive. It showed us that the market, it was forming a trend. Each and every time, market at the same time respect the previous level. So I'm gonna just adjust this level, so that you can understand the probability or possibility that the market it can create. So for the reason us end up even bouncing here is because of the market have been respecting this level for so long. Sorry, sorry guys, this is a strongest level the market have been respecting that level for so long. This is another side that each and every time, that's why once we are analyzing the market, we are looking for our left side. So the market, it managed to test this level because of this zone here, and the market end up even giving us a triple bottom here, giving us impulsive, broken impulsive, and came back retest on the previous level. This is another side that I was trying to show you. I wanted you guys to understand very well. So as we can see, we are still looking the gold itself. The market itself, it managed to create a channel, which is, I can say, it's a pattern within a channel. The market, it managed to create our continuation pattern, which is, we can say this thing is our bullish flag. The market, it managed to give us impulsive and end up reversing, give us a double top here, correctively pushing to the downside, and impulsive. So this thing, it was showing us that impulsive, correctively, impulsive, correctively, which is I'm gonna call it a deeper correction, and market give us another impulsive. So as we can see right now, the market, after give us impulsive leg, the market end up came back retesting from the previous level. That's why I like to say to you guys, each and every time market respect the previous zone. So the market, by giving us retested to that level, retested to this level, it was retesting this level. Let's just quickly show it, adjust it. So each and every time market respect the previous current price. So we have something like this. As you can see, this is a level that the market have been respecting for so long. That's why we end up broken and come back, bounce it to this level. So this is another side that I was just trying to show you guys. But automatically, I start even to realize that what the market, it managed to create, the market, it managed to create this kind of channel here. We have a bounce here that market managed to create pattern within the pattern. So as we can see, the market, after impulsive, correctively, first touch and second touch, market give us another impulsive to do what? To push to the upside. To push to the upside. So we started to realize that the market itself, it end up even this kind of thing. So I'm gonna just delete this continuation pattern so that we can focus here. Let me just delete. This is example that I was just trying to show you guys. So as we can see currently right now, we realize that the market itself, it managed to create something like this. We have a touch. We have a touch. And then we have a touch. We have a touch even here. At the same time, into our supported trend line, we have a first touch and second touch. Market end up giving us an impulsive leg. So this is another touch here. So I'm gonna just take it from here. Take it from here, as we can see. I'll just adjust it a little bit. So we started to realize that we have the channel within this channel. We have this channel within this channel. This is ascending channel. So at the same time, as we can see, the market itself, it managed to come back and bounce into this level. So I'll just quickly show you something that is very absolutely important for tomorrow or anytime, so that you can be aware that what the market, it managed, the technical itself, it keep repeating itself. So I will turn it into line chart. when you look at this channel, look at very well. It's the same like a major channel. The market give us impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and deeper correction end up bouncing here. The same thing here. Market managed to give us impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and deeper correction bouncing here. This portion is this portion. This portion, deeper correction, is this one. These two taps here, it's here. So technical itself, it keep repeating itself. So guys, so I'm gonna just quickly even show you another side so that you can understand very well. We start even to realize that the market, it managed to form this kind of continuation pattern within the channel. Within the channel, market end up giving something like this. Once we applied our knowledge very well, we can see that what the market managed to create, we have a touch. We have a touch. That one, it was a breakout. A breakout. So when I check, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, we have a touch here. And then each and every time, once the market give you impulsive, keep giving you came back, it created something like this. Let me just give you a perfect picture so that you can understand, because at the same time I'm giving you the setup and then I'm giving you the knowledge. Impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and correctively, and impulsive and correctively. So we broken the third point, we broken impulsive pushing to the upside. As we can see, 1 2 3 touches, double top, and then a third touch, we broken impulsive. So this is another side that I was trying even to show you. Let me just make it black so that it can be clear. As you can see, it's a perfect picture. So at the same time, I'll just quickly move to another time frame, which is H4 time frame. H4 time frame. So this is a perfect picture that we've been looking. Right now, we are focusing into this channel. So what it can happen into a future in the gold, high possibility that if the market, it keep doing the same thing, because of, if we can just check very well, let me just adjust this thing, put it here. Okay, it's fine. So high possibility, remember this level here, this level here that I'm gonna just mark it for you guys so that we can get the point. I just want you guys to understand very well. 1 2 touches, impulsive. We don't have a third touch. Third touch, we're expecting to broken impulsive. 1 2 touches. And 3 was expecting, but our expectation, if we're expecting a perfect picture, it doesn't happen each and every time. High possibility that the market, as the market, it created a ranging market. High possibility that the market itself, it can give us, it managed to give us a correctively. It can even give us impulsive to go and create a third touch before we can drop to the downside. This is another side. Think about the probability and possibility. When you just check very well, you're gonna realize this is what we're gonna end up some other time. We're gonna just even call it our expanding pattern. I don't remember very well the pattern. Expanding pattern. No, it's not expanding pattern, that one. I just forget the name of that pattern, but it's okay. I will just at the end of the video, I'll give you the name of the pattern and then put it in a video so that we can understand very well. So we can see that we have this kind of pattern. High possibility that the market itself, it can end up. Let me just move it to our daily time frame again. We can find ourselves in this kind of situation, creating a third touch. That's why I was just showing that we can impulsive up and reject, candle reject, end up going to the downside. So this is a probability or possibility that it can happen into XAUUSD, because of currently right now, as we can see, gold have been buying. So currently right now, each and every time, what we need to understand, we started to realize that each and every time, let me just give you a small session here. Each and every time in the forex market, we need to understand that we started to realize that each and every time impulsive followed by correctively, impulsive followed by correctively, impulsive followed by correctively. We don't have the market, it doesn't move straight line like a straight ruler like this, as the market like this one here. The market, it doesn't move like that. The market, it move with something like this, impulsive, which is the corrective, and impulsive, which is followed by the correctively, which is the lower momentum, and impulsive again followed by correctively, which is the lower momentum, and impulsive. That at the end of the day, you're gonna realize that the market, it's formed a trend. That this is what we can end up even calling an uptrend. The market is trending to the upside. So this is another side that I was just show you so that you can understand the terminology or the nature or the behavior of the market. So our main focus is we are focused into a gold. We are really focused into a gold because of, remember, this is a previous level that the market, it was respected. So high possibility as we're gonna start a new candle, high possibility that the market, it can still even push to the upside, creating something like this, pushing to the upside by creating a third point into our main structure. This is our main structure. Let me just show you clear so that you can understand. This is our main structure. This is our main structure. As you can see, this is our main structure. Let me just bold it. I'm gonna just bold it. It's a main structure. It's a main structure. High possibility that we can find ourselves something like this happening, end up pushing to the upside because of we'll be respecting the previous levels, which is these levels. Turning this, we managed to push to the upside and then retested that level, turning this level into supported level so that we can expect the market to end up even pushing to the upside. Let me just quickly show you another side, what the gold, it may give us, the probability, the possibility, or my prediction. I'm gonna just try to get a prediction that I'm gonna just even show you in the gold that it may happen. Something like this, it can happen. So yeah, so let me just give you the prediction that I think it can happen into Xauusd. Let's just not mirror, I must use it, a flip. We might find ourselves having this kind of movement that it can happen into our gold itself, which is Xauusd. This is overall structure that we can find the gold created. So what I try to give you here, I'm giving you, and another side, what the market, it can even created, so that you can understand very well. This is overall structure of the gold itself. We may push to the upside, creating a point because of when I check here, look, watch, just watch. No. I was not wanted to use a time frame. I was wanted to just show you what I wanted to show you right now. This is first touch. Second touch, and then end up creating our third touch here. This is the overall structure of the gold itself. Overall structure. Into our supported trend line, we can see that we have 1 touches, 2 touches here. Let me just adjust this level, the previous level. If the market is going to be approaching that level, high possibility that we can have this kind of something like this. So let me just adjust it because I was just showing you another side. So we may have high possibility end up even pushing to the downside, targeting to that level again, because of we have ascending channel within ascending channel. This is an uptrend. Within this uptrend, we have ascending channel. High possibility will be creating our third touch here. A lot of people, they will follow under the trap here. This is another side of the gold. This is the overall structure of the gold so that you can understand. Make sure you like and then you subscribe on my YouTube channel when I post another new video so that you can see an update. So you will give me the result, guys. I will just came back for the coming days once gold started to approach reaching the level and making you make another video. Another probability as we created here, we'll be expecting what? Another side. If we fail to bounce here and push to the upside, high possibility that we may have break it and retest and push to the downside. But each and every time, remember, the market is going to give you a pattern for reversal. Each and every time, market, it will give you a pattern. It will make you aware. So this is something that it may happen. Let's just check in a H4 what it can happen in a H4. So as you can see, guys, it's some of the channel here that gold it may created pushing to the upside and then something like this, because of this is an impulsive. Within the impulsive, this is a re-entry. That means if you took position here or here or here, you'll be scaling in gold. So this is another side that I was just quickly showing you. Thank you very much, guys. This is your mentor, Mokhosi JPY. We still have more video that I'm gonna just do it for you guys. Thank you very much. Pow.